Oh, it's gonna bite you.
Stop. Get a muffin out of here.
Get out of here. You're a worm right now. Watch out, it's gonna bite you.
Stop.
I told you, you're a worm and you still didn't see it. Better look harder.
Don't tell me it's my speed racer chair. Oh yeah? I think I know what it is.
Where is it?
That carpet cleaner.
No.
Oh, I know.
Why would I buy you a seed?
I know it's not.
It almost bit you again.
Stop.
I'm looking right at it.
Oh, I see it.
Where is it?
Up there.
Told you it was gonna bite you, wasn't it? Close the door now. You gotta listen once in a while to hear the clues. It almost bit you.
Oh, no, I know what it is. No way. You got me another game set? I can't believe you. You got me another game set. And guess what? I'm playing this on the TV. Just so you know.
Look closer.
Why?
Cause don't you recognize that?
I know that. It's from the store.
Fooled you, didn't I?
Yeah. You took it and I wasn't looking.
You weren't there when I got it.